Big up the Boxing Clinic show on YouTube.
Thank you.
Watch it every time.
I've got Johnny Nelson here, former cruiserweight world champion. Nice to see you. Good. Johnny, what do you think about the fight on Saturday night? It's a very, very good, entertaining fight.
I think it's going to be one of those fights that the last fight I can think about is I think of when not because of the whole before, because these guys are so evenly matched.
Right.
And I think this is the closest thing you'll get to on these shows to quite a while.
Absolutely.
Two guys that are so evenly matched. Everybody has an opinion. I think Bute is an outstanding fighter. Froch is going to struggle. Froch has got a massive heart. He's been one of the best fighters in the world. So you've got to think, you know what, this is one of those fights where you can't miss it.
Absolutely.
You've got to watch it, and it's just hard to do.
Do you feel that, obviously with Bute not fighting in the UK, that's going to play a real big advantage to him as a fighter coming over? And he's fought once in Romania. Do you think it's going to be a big issue coming into Saturday?
I was with him on Monday, training in the gym. In a secret location here in Nottingham.
Right.
He told me, he don't care.
He doesn't care.
You know, and most fighters, you know, at top level, anywhere in the world, once they're bodybuilders, they don't care. Bute's one of them. Paul Froch is one of them. And so you've got two guys that are very, very even in everything. Their attitude, their experience, their fight, their determination. When you get two guys in the ring that truly believe they'll win, that's when you have an outstanding fight. That's why I think Saturday night.
It should be a good one. So tactically speaking, I mean, obviously Carl Froch is coming in there. He's 40.
Yes, I can feel.
Hard hitting, quick southpaw. What tactics do you think he needs to employ to be successful in the fight?
He's smart. He's just brain. People expect the power to try to bully him down.
I agree.
Can't afford to do that, so because Raw then outboxed him look better than what he should have done.
Absolutely.
So therefore, Froch performed underscore. What he needs to do is use brain and blood. Use the jab. Use the footwork, work on the minor things, look out for that southpaw, open southpaw style, use a nice little jab and make sure he counters from it. Don't give anything away. Even when he steps back on it, he's got to make sure he's on it.
Absolutely. So you're saying he should effectively come forward and use smart strategy, or should
not ignorantly forward. If he comes forward, he's got to come forward on the jab. Try and draw in. You know, don't rush him out, because rush him out, he's going to walk into a body shot.
Absolutely. He's a very devastating body.
He's got to try and make the fight man on man. If he tries to run off, pop him along with the jab, keep it on, make it go.
I was just speaking to Eddie, and he was mentioning about future plans for Carl, saying that obviously going up was very difficult for him because he just struggling to get Do you feel like he has a future in the middleweight division? Some of the smaller guys?
Carl?
Yeah,
but he's very comfortable how he is now. He trains how I saw him, he said he makes money now. You know what?
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start in about 2 minutes' time, and we're going to start with the head-to-head photos and head-to-head footage. So video, films and cameras can come up right to the front of the like this will be very, very 5 minutes.
So I mean, in terms of that fight, I mean, do you see that fight happening? Obviously, there's
without a doubt. I can be on initial tests quite well. But I do see that happening. If that fight was taking place in the UK, Froch would have won.
Absolutely, I agree.
Froch is aggrieved about that.
Yeah.
So that's why this fight will take place, but it will be over.